Are you struggling to configure multiple named environments in GitLab CI? If so, you're not alone. Today, we're diving into how to streamline your deployment process for test, stage, and production environments. I totally get it. Managing different environments can feel like juggling flaming torches. You want to keep everything organized, but it can quickly become overwhelming. You're definitely not the only one facing this challenge. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked, is there a way to configure multiple specifically named environments, like test, stage, and prod, without repeating the same build steps? This is a common concern, so let's explore it together. To understand the issue, GitLab CI documentation mentions dynamically created environments, but they are typically commit-based. This can lead to repetitive code for each environment, which is not ideal. Let's see how we can simplify this. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know how to compress your deployment instructions into a single, efficient set of commands. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. To configure multiple named environments in GitLab CI, the user can start by defining a single deploy job that utilizes the environment name dynamically. This will help reduce redundancy in the configuration. Next, the user should create a matrix of environments. This allows the user to specify the different environments they want to deploy to, such as test, stage, and prod. Now, the user can combine these configurations. By using the matrix strategy, the user can deploy to each environment with the same job definition, simplifying the process. Finally, the user should test the pipeline to ensure that deployments are working correctly for each environment. This can be done by pushing changes to the repository and observing the CI/CD pipeline. Here's what the new configuration would look like. You define a single deploy job that sets the environment URL dynamically based on the slug. This way, you only write the deployment script once. Fun fact, did you know that the first version control systems were just simple file directories? We've come a long way. And now we can manage complex environments with just a few lines of code. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach suggested by a user involves using variables for different environments and creating separate jobs for each. They propose defining a workflow that sets environment-specific variables based on the branch name. This way, you can streamline your build and deployment processes. Here's a pro tip. Always use environment variables for your configurations. This not only keeps your code clean, but also makes it easier to manage changes across different environments. And there you have it. You've learned how to streamline your GitLab CI configurations for multiple environments. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button for more tips, and remember to share your own experiences in the comments.